Today I am reviewing the ASUS ProArt Display PA278QV 27-inch WQHD monitor. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. For digital creators, graphic designers, and video editors, the computer monitor is the absolute center of the universe. If your screen is miscalibrated, your entire project suffers, no matter how powerful your computer is. Historically, getting a truly professional, color-accurate display meant spending an absolute fortune. But ASUS changed that narrative with their creator-focused ProArt lineup. Today, we are looking closely at the ASUS ProArt Display PA278QV. This 27-inch workhorse promises elite studio precision at a price point the independent creator can actually afford. Let's see how it holds up in a production environment. The foundational piece of any Pro monitor is the quality of its panel, and ASUS did not cut corners here. The PA278QV features a 27-inch wide quad high-definition in-plane switching panel, giving you a sharp resolution of 2560 by 1440 pixels. This 1440p resolution is widely considered the absolute sweet spot for a 27-inch workspace. It provides significantly more desktop real estate and crisper text than a standard 1080p monitor, without demanding the massive graphical processing power or aggressive scaling issues that sometimes come with a full 4K screen. Because it uses an advanced IPS panel, you get immaculate 178-degree viewing angles. This means your images and colors remain perfectly uniform and true, whether you are sitting dead center or leaning over to show a client your progress from the side. But the real magic of this monitor lies in its color fidelity. The PA278QV arrives completely factory-calibrated and holds an official Calman Verified certification. Out of the box, it guarantees a delta E of less than 2, which means any deviation in color is completely imperceptible to the human eye. It covers a full 100% of both the sRGB and Rec. 709 color gamuts. Whether you are retouching high-resolution commercial photography, formatting digital illustrations for print, or color grading video projects destined for web broadcast, you can work with complete peace of mind, knowing that what you see on your screen is exactly what your audience will see on theirs. To give you even deeper control, the hardware includes the ASUS ProArt Preset and ProArt palette systems. These tools allow you to quickly cycle through pre-tuned color profiles or deeply customize your color temperature, gamma curves, and black levels to match the precise requirements of your current project. Beyond the beautiful screen, the physical build quality is incredibly robust and practical. ASUS equipped this display with an elite ergonomic stand that offers full tilt, swivel, pivot, and height adjustments. If you code, read long text documents, or design vertical mobile layouts, you can effortlessly pivot the entire panel 90 degrees into a vertical layout. The panel itself features a premium anti-glare coating that diffuses harsh room reflections cleanly. To protect your eyes during grueling overnight editing sessions, it incorporates ASUS Eye Care technology with TV Rhineland certified flicker-free backlighting and advanced low blue light filters to prevent headaches and eye fatigue. Connectivity is another massive win for this display. Unlike modern minimalist monitors that force you to buy a dozen dongles, the PA278QV acts as a full hardware hub. It features legacy and modern inputs alike, including DisplayPort, HDMI, DVD, and mini DisplayPort. It also includes a built-in USB hub, allowing you to plug your mouse, keyboard, and external storage drives directly into the monitor to keep your desk completely clean and clutter-free. While it is built primarily for work, it even throws in a smooth 75 Hz refresh rate with adaptive sync, completely eliminating screen tearing during casual video playback or light gaming. To wrap it all up, the ASUS ProArt PA278QV is a phenomenal success. It masterfully bridges the gap between affordable consumer displays and multi-thousand-dollar studio reference monitors. By combining a sharp 1440p layout, immaculate Calman Verified color tracking, extensive connectivity, and a fully flexible ergonomic stand, ASUS has delivered an irreplaceable tool for the modern creative professional. It is an investment that instantly elevates the quality of your work.